where the fields meet the sky, turning tech to earth, soft keys to dirt, trade my screen for seeds in green, endless loops now.
Hello and welcome back. Last time we completed the cleanup of Site 0, but we were left with one question. How tall is the corn grown? How close are we to the second sister? As always, we went and asked Gemini, and unfortunately, the corn is not quite yet tall enough. So what that means is that we have to learn a lesson and take some patience. Now, we still are eager to continue our second phase of project, but we're going to have to try to help it along maybe to get that corn to grow higher. One thing we can definitely do is we could try some biological liquid fertilizer, perhaps. We'll do that, add that to water, and with that, now we know we're starting to form a to-do list. First things first, we do need to address what's going on currently with the sisters and Site 0, so we'll do a little check-in with both. Next up then, we're going to have to take all the nylon netting, that sort of dome shape, off of our sisters box to prepare it for our final step, which is get that liquid fertilizer in. Maybe that'll be enough for us to get a few more days of growth to get that corn tall enough so that we can get ready for the second sister and our next phase of the project. I'm so very excited to get going. See you out there.
Summer falls softly, no steam running to break. Nature's beauty calls me, chaotic peace I take. In the night it whispers, raindrops softly kiss. Order from the chaos, holistic feeling bliss. Rainy summer nights turn chaos into light. Nature's gentle might makes everything feel right. This rolls on the meadow, everything in flow. Order from the chaos, let the beauty show. Let the beauty show. Rain pours down and whispers, nature's calm embrace. Holistic in the chaos, finding our own place. Rainy summer nights turn chaos into light. Nature's gentle might makes everything feel right. This rolls on and let know, everything in flow. Order from the chaos, let the beauty show. Rainy summer nights turn chaos into light. Nature's gentle might makes everything feel right. Let the beauty right. Let the beauty feel right. First light breaks the dawn, tech to bloom in the lawn. Nature's clock, it's ticking fast. With wires, they mend the past. Green fields glow with code. Robots plant the seed and load. Leaf and meadow intertwined. Progress sure, but love's defined. Signs of life, signs of change. Tech and nature in exchange. Heartbeats blend with the machine. Future's bright, the grass is green. Digital sun in the sky. Data's river never dry. Circuits hum with breezes flow. Life evolves, it starts to show. this dream humanity believes. Unity and growth combined, progress pure with fate aligned. Signs of life, signs of change, tech and nature in exchange. Heartbeats blend with the machine, future's bright, the grass is green. Digital song in the sky, data's river never dry. Circuits hum with breezes flow, life evolves, it starts to show. Type in lines on a screen, building dreams in the beams, from city lights to green, sowing seeds of hope unseen. From desk to dirt we go, trading stress for soil's glow. In the fields where rivers flow, see our efforts start to grow. Code to crops, the future's bright. Was the office, now the light. Gardens bloom and farms will fight with hope, strengths in sight. Software turned to soil, hard work makes the heart uncoil. Life can be a joyful toil, nothing here left to spoil. Code to crops, the future's bright. Was the office, now the light. Gardens bloom and farms will fight with hope, strengths in sight. Code to crops, the future's bright. Was the office, now the light. Gardens bloom and farms will fight with hope, strengths in sight. Software turned to soil, hard work makes the heart uncoil. Life can be a joyful toil, nothing here left to spoil. Code to crops, the future's bright. Was the office, now the light. Gardens bloom and farms will fight with hope, strengths in sight. Nature's breeze.
Well, that went a little bit better than I hoped. If you can't tell, the fertilizer probably had a pretty good impact on the timeline of the overall project. Speaking of, I'm so excited to share the next step in our grand summer adventure this year, the 3 sisters. Planting this second sister, the string bean, is really going to start to allow us to visualize that shape. And even from what we already have on footage, you can kind of tell we're getting those dome shapes and the corn is starting to rise. So I'm really hoping we can see that grasping of the bean onto the corn as we predicted when we first learned about the Three Sisters technique. That makes me curious though. Are you guys working on any summer projects yourselves? Have you seen unprecedented success or maybe not as much as you hoped? Let me know down in the comments how your summer projects are going this year. And I find it very refreshing for us to be able to compare results and maybe even learn from each other. All right, well, we have some big things coming in the next couple episodes. Can't wait to see you there.